All right, so today is a special day because today is the beginning of 365 days of play. So think about it. When we were little kids, all we did was wanted to play. We played 7 days a week. Yeah, maybe we played by ourselves with our toys, or we played with our siblings, or we played with the neighbor kids, but we played every single day. And then what happens? We grow up and we stop playing. We might play once a week. Maybe we play twice a month. But for the most part, we focus on work. We focus on other tasks in life. Now, if we have a family, of course, we focus on family, and that's great. But my challenge to all of you and myself, starting today, is to play for the next 365 days. We're going to play every single day. Now, I don't know what we're going to play. We're going to play basketball, maybe. We're going to play racquetball. We're going to go on a hike. We're going to go golfing. We're going to go do whatever it is that we do, but we're going to spend at least a portion of each day playing. So we thought we'd kick it off today with Dead Horse Point. Now, we just drove into Moab, and we're going to be going to the Arches National Park tomorrow. But since we just got done driving into Moab, we figured we would start off our first day of play here at Dead Horse Point. So we're going to go check out the viewpoint of the spectacular views. Here's an edge. All right, so we drove 3.5 hours to get to Dead Horse Point for our first day of play of our 365 days of play. Then we got to the hotel, checked in, went to the pool, had some dinner, and now we are calling it a day and crashing for the night to hit Arches National Park tomorrow. So, we'll be back. Day 1 of 365 Days of Play is officially in the books.